What's up, YouTube fam, and welcome back to Heavy and Modified. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So right now, I got Bill. Bill, where are you from? Let me know a little bit about you real quick.
Hey guys, it's Bill from Rev Auto. We produce premium car care products. A lot of us know us on Instagram as Rev Auto Supply.
Alright, so this is actually a friend, but we actually linked up for doing some business, and it's pretty awesome because you guys are actually gonna gain off of this, which was pretty dope. And we kind of pitched me the idea of sponsoring the channel and hooking us up with some car supply so I could do, well, hooking me up to hook you guys up to do giveaways. So I need you guys to smash that like button right now. I don't know what product's gonna be yet. You're gonna find out when you get it, but it's gonna be a cleaning product and it's pretty dope. Yep. Thank you so much, Bill, for meeting up with me.
Appreciate it, man.
So this is how we have meetings, just like this, right? You want to show them what you brought?
Got a 5-gallon detail bucket, big Rev Auto slapped in there.
I'll have to keep that though, guys, so I can't give that away because I do need that. But I am gonna be giving every single product that's in here, I'm gonna be giving away. So that means we have a chance of, let me see, how many winners do we have a chance? And we're gonna separate them too. I'm not gonna pick like how many products they're gonna all win today. We're gonna do it throughout the month. So I see we got a rag.
Super plush absorbent microfiber towel.
We'll probably throw that in with one of the winners, so someone will be lucky.
Super dope window towel.
So what is it? You guys tell them about that?
Dude, this is one of those window towels that you don't need any product. Just spray some water, wipe it. No streaks, clear windows every time.
Okay, and what else we got in here to give away?
Dope decal.
Okay.
Probably gonna keep that for myself.
All right.
Silica suds, really awesome soap. You got your wheel cleaner, you know, big brakes, big brake dust. Neo classes are non-hazardous, super easy and friendly to use. Window cleaner, no streaks, and you can polish your exhaust tips with these. And this is one of those really good products that we have. It's an innovative product called Ceramex. It actually changes color on contact when it starts lifting dirt off of the paint. So that's when you know it's safe to wipe it off without damaging your paint or wrap. Works for wrap too, guys.
I was gonna say, what about wrap cars?
Oh yeah, perfect for wrap cars. It smells great.
Now you guys got to check out the products you got. So there's how many products in here? How many products in here?
I would say
1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 products, and then there'll be 2 lucky people who will get one of these with theirs and one of these with theirs. I'm going to keep the bucket just because I do need a bucket. And Bill is not only giving me this set to give away, he's also gonna give me my own set, so I'll be using that stuff like that. I've used it before. A lot of people always ask like if I wash my own car. I don't really wash my own car, but the what's it called? Yeah, for the wrap and for the cars, I do that. I use that when I at car shows and car meets, stuff like that. Just a quick spray, it works really good. So it's awesome to have a sponsor on this channel that I've already used the products. I know the products and I know the owner. You know, so that's gonna be good. So right now, this is what we're working on, and we sat down and we talked a little bit about this. I wanted to film the whole meeting, but there's some things that said, like, when you talk numbers, you can't really film stuff like that, just because it's just business is business. This is what we came to a conclusion on, and this is what we're gonna be doing. The products I'm gonna be selling on my website now. So, is it gonna be these products, or is it gonna be other products?
Not just these and more other
These ones. And a couple other ones. So this is how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna put all these products on my website, and you can actually buy them from me instead of having to go. I feel like going to his website or going to the website, putting in the code, all that stuff, I feel like it's a whole bunch of extra stuff where you can just buy it from me and I have to deal with the shipping. I have to deal with all the, you know, the behind the scenes stuff, and Bill has to deal with all the behind the scenes stuff. But we'll just make it super easy. Plus, you guys are used to going to my website, so I figured that'll be awesome. And you know, with sitting here, we know we talked about this before in the meeting. Obviously, sponsoring the channel is going to cost you money. You know what I mean? And that's how it's going to be. So what I want, you know, this is what I feel like we can't talk about on camera, is what you're expecting from me as the owner of the channel, and you know, in return of sponsoring and giving this free product to give away to, you know, the YouTube fam. So just, you know, I mean, a little, like, you know, kind of what we talked about, what you're expecting as in, you know, promotion wise, you know, stuff like that, just little things. Because a big thing on my channel that we always talk about is, you know, getting sponsored, and you know, it happened to work out, you know, I mean, perfectly between us two. You have a product I use, and I mean, it worked out. But you know, kind of like, what do you expect from people you sponsor? You're giving your hard work, you know, these cost you money, all this costs you money, and you're willing to give it me for free to give away to the YouTube fam. So now, what do you ask in return of something like this?
Well, it's actually pretty interesting. I've known, I think, Jefe for a little over, what, 2 years? Close to 2 years.
Yeah,
you know, it's funny because you watch me build the company from ground up.
Mm-hmm.
So
and you watch my channel grow from the ground up.
You guys, so it's kind of like we both started around the same time and everything. it's cool. So I just thought it makes sense for me to work with you to kind of give back to the car community and also show them some great products. And you know, I really want to be able to help you grow as a channel and give back to your viewers, you know, give them something to use and something that you're proud of and I'm proud of as well.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So as in, you know, promotion wise, Instagram stuff.
Yep.
Just typical thing, just how it goes.
You guys you guys will probably see me more and more.
Yeah.
In his vlogs, you guys will see the products more and more. You know, I use this on a daily basis for my cars. That's why most of the time my cars are really, really clean, even when it's raining. And then, so let's see, you know, he uses all his products on his cars at shows and stuff, and it just made sense, you know. It's one of those things where it's not forced.
Yeah.
You know, even though we didn't like jump on it the first time we thought about it.
Look, we talked about this. I'm going off of that. I always do this when I'm filming people. I really cut them off right in the middle. My bad. But we talked about this about a year ago.
About a year ago.
And it's been like we talk about it, and then we kind of like let it fall off. We see each other, then we bring it up again, and it's just kind of how business goes. Like, you guys know, I'm really, really busy. He's really, really busy. This guy is, you know, he has his hands in so many different cookie jars in the car community. I think it's amazing. I mean, even the point of you have started that first app when I first met you. He's all, yeah. But you know what I mean? It's like, it's a growing pain. Like, we all learn, like, you know, with your business, how, you know, you put so much time and the money into it, and it's kind of at a steady point right now. I kind of did the same thing with the whole El Jefe vlogs, and now changing heavy and modified. I mean, sometimes you gotta feel like you figure when something's working and not working, and then you gotta fix the problem and create, you know, a bigger, you know, a good problem, not a bad problem anymore. But thank you so much for sponsoring the channel, because he's not just sponsoring me, he's sponsoring the channel. So what we had worked out is that maybe once a month, you know, starting off slow, we'll do giveaway, one product at a time. This giveaway starting off right now. And what I think we should do for this giveaway, just to make it super easy, I'm just gonna pick a comment.
Simple as that.
So we're gonna do, I'm gonna steal for Premium Auto Styling. The hashtag's gonna be, what the hashtag gonna be? I already know the hashtag's gonna be.
That's a good one. I don't know. Haven't thought about this one yet.
Jefe and Rev. There it is, hashtag right here. Comment Jefe and Rev to get a chance to win this. I will pick the winner on Friday's vlog, which will be at Irwindale. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this. Hope you guys learned something. And if you guys like me just setting up the camera and, you know, us going through meetings and talking about stuff like this, because there is a couple more people I'm going to be setting up meetings with Rovi being one of them. So don't forget, this product will be on the website in the next couple of days. My web designer is actually in London right now. Must be nice. Be in London right now. But once it gets back, we're going to go full remodel on the website. I'm going to have canards for the 2015 and 16 1LEs. I'm having product to wash your cars. I have a couple new cool things. I got some new slappers, heavy and modified slappers coming in. I got some new stickers. It's gonna be dope. I'll announce that more when it comes, because you know I don't like bringing up stuff premature, because then it might not happen and then I look like I'm lagging it. We'll recap this real quick. So, like I was saying, so you met me, you know, when I was, you know, at a couple hundred subscribers. No, before, literally a couple hundred. And you know, you were there with me for my first 1,000. Yep. And then we went from, you know, then you didn't have this business at the time. You had the app, which I promoted on my channel. Yep. And then now you know, we did the Zurst, which was a success, because the other day someone actually or yesterday, someone came in here. He's like, yo, Jefe, aren't you supposed to be a premium? I'm like, huh? He's like, yo, he's like, I know you from the channel. And I was like, oh, I thought he was just talking about premium only, right? So he's like, yeah, he's like, ever since I watched your vlog and you came here to work in your car, I came to Zurst and I never stopped coming here. And then Kenneth told me he's brought a lot of customers in here.
Really?
So it's crazy to see like that reach from being a couple hundred subscribers. You see me at 1,000, and now you see me at almost gonna be at 8K, and now we're actually doing business with each other, and we both grown from that. You had your app business, it kind of is at a steady right now, but now you have a thriving, you know, you have a thriving not mobile detailing, but detailing business, and now we actually get to, you know, benefit not only as in friendship wise, but as in profit wise. And I think that's dope, because, you know, and like I was going off this before, you know, I was always so worried about creating content. What am I gonna do to make people make the YouTube fam happy? What am I gonna do to make this funny? But at the end of the day, I just documented something that could be big. Like, we don't know where this, you know, we don't know where Rev X, you know, El Jefe, or, you know, Rev X Heavy Modified could go. And we just document this thing, and this might help someone, you know, who might want to get sponsored by you, or might want to buy your product, or might want to try your product. Now we gave them like that, oh, well, Jefe tried it, now it must be good, so let's try it. You know what I mean? So we just document it. I think that's like the biggest thing. It's like, I forgot, as being a creator, is that I stuck with the word creator when everything that I'm doing is creating something. Me being in the shop that has, you know, an M3, a freaking, you know, a Porsche, and What's that over there? And a Maserati over there. You mean like this is all? I think Maserati is.
It's the Aston Martin.
Oh, Aston Martin. Oh, that's how you know it's expensive. You don't know what kind of car it is. But you know what I mean? Like you documenting this whole thing is pretty dope because you know like how far have you grown since the day we've been friends?
A lot. I've grown a lot. Our company grew. I think it's all part of doing any business, you know, whether you're creating content or just documenting your life, you know, things happen. And, you know, it's crazy because then you have supporters that's been there since day one that want to know what's going on. You know, it's not, in the end of the day, I'm not selling products, you know what I mean? I'm kind of giving everyone the experience of like, oh, so that's how my car looks when it's super duper clean.
Yeah.
Like I didn't know that. Like that's what's more important for me, you know, and same thing for you. You're kind of documenting your life and, you know, it's exciting, dude. Like people want to know like what are you doing here? Like what's going on?
Yeah.
What's all this cool stuff? It's really cool. It's really cool to be able to see something, think of something, start on it, get socked in the face, because that's how it normally works.
Oh yeah.
And then just push it and keep on growing. So it's pretty awesome. It's really, really awesome. And I'm lucky to have people like Hefe and Kenneth and all these other guys surrounding me, helping me out, because if it wasn't for them, dude, I don't think I'd be here right now, man.
Well, it's work, man. It's like it's grinding. Like the support I have from you and Kenneth and everyone around, from the YouTube fam to family to friends to girlfriends. Like they don't, you know. At the end of the day, like this, we put a lot of time into this. Like this is like our little eggs in the incubator, you know, and they haven't hatched yet. But every single day, like we take care of them, we clean them, we make sure the temperature's right, you know. And it's so documenting something like this, I hope when I look back in a couple years or a couple months or whatever it is, and I'm like, damn, like that day, that's the day we started business, and now look at what's going on now.
It's part of it. It's dope though. I'm excited, man.
Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you. Thank you. And I hope this meant something to you guys. I hope you guys learned something from this giveaway. Don't forget, it's gonna be FXRep. That is a hashtag.
Yep.
Go ahead and comment down below. Make sure you smash that like button, and I will pick a winner on Friday's vlog. I'm just gonna randomly pick it. I'm gonna steal from Premium. Sorry, Premium, I had to steal from you.